On this V-Class, the Panorama Sunroof will not close. To carry out an emergency closing, drill a hole in the roof lining. For the hole, an absolutely precise measurement is required. For orientation, the arrow shows the passenger seat in the direction of travel. From the control button of the sunroof, measure 90 mm towards the passenger side and 5 mm backwards. Use tape for the marking. As previously mentioned, please measure precisely to avoid any mistakes. Once the correct position has been found for the hole, use a 5 mm drill bit and, of course, safety glasses. Now you need a 4 mm Allen key with a ball head. You can now manually close the roof. Cover the hole using a blind plug as part of the repair.